So file upload, let's respondents upload files to Drive. Let's continue. You can read that if you want. Pause the video. No, upload submission. Okay. Only allow for specific file types. Let's ignore for now. But number of files, let's say 10 each, as in maximum file size can be 10 MB, can be up to 10 GB. But remember that your particular drive has a total of 15 GB. This is the reason I was suggesting we create a new account, not necessarily use your present Gmail account. Cool. Let's just look at what this looks like. Refresh. Upload thing, and it just says add file. I click on add file, and I can either drag and drop or select devices like we were talking about, like we were looking at earlier. So now I say XLS file, open, and that I can add up to 10 files, I think, and upload, and done, right? And then I submit this form. What this looks like to us, if you're just looking at the responses themselves, upload submission, individual question summary, it actually links the other spreadsheet. So I can just literally click on this and it'll open up, and I can look at that particular file here, right? Just like I did, because it's an XLS file, it opens up like this. Obviously, whatever the file format is, it'll open up unless you have a file type that Drive doesn't know how to open, obviously. If we go back to our Drive, as in the main Drive thing, you'll notice this folder. This is where all the uploads go into for that particular form. So in this folder, it automatically creates these separate subfolders for you. Contact details, file responses. This is the name of our form itself. Inside that, this particular question, which is upload submission, file responses, we can obviously add more questions. Or I can just duplicate the question, by the way. This is the duplicate, very, very useful. So let's say upload submission 1, upload submission, no, 2. And now let's look at this again. So yeah, 2 submission possibilities. I can upload a particular file here. Let's say that one. And I can submit, I can upload a different file into this question, which is a separate question. Upload and submit. Right. In this, you'll notice that there are 2 folder names. You also should have noticed that I changed the name, as in that I changed the question. I changed this from upload submission to upload submission 1. It automatically renames the file. So this becomes upload submission 1 and upload submission 2. This is show in grid or in list. That's all, right? So that is how you use forms for the most part.